Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. And if you saw the title of this video, you know it is that time of the month. We are back for another Hermes unboxing. But before I get into all of that, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's jump into the unboxing. Alright, so today's unboxing, we've got a very large bag, but like not that big of items inside. So big bag, small boxes. Let's jump into it. So here is the first item, and this is something that I have wanted to get my hands on for a while, and when I went in the store, they didn't have this out on the floor anymore, and I was like, oh no, I missed my chance. They're all gone. It is so hot where I live where I'm gonna get use out of this. But let's just stop talking about it and unbox it. All right, again, the packaging on here is so beautiful. Every time I am always impressed. Okay, so let me unbox. And yeah, like I said, this is definitely a little bit of more of a summertimey style of item. But let me know in the comments right now, don't cheat. What do you think this is? I'm curious to hear your guesses. Anyways, here's the reveal. It is a pair of shoes. It's a pair of sandals. And here they are. These are the island sandals and they're super cute. They have the little chain detail on here, which is super fun. And they're just kind of a nice, flexible, comfortable kind of sandal style. And they are more a rubbery material, so you can get these wet. They're really good to wear pool, to the beach, so you don't have to worry about these as much maintenance-wise. So super cute. Let me grab the other sandal. And these ones do actually run quite small. I'm typically a 34, sometimes a 35 depending on the shoe. And these were in 35s and fit perfect. I don't think I could even fit into a 34. These run small. And that's coming from someone with small feet. So I was actually pleasantly surprised because, like I said, they did not have any of these out on the floor anymore. And so I was really nervous that they were all sold out and gone. But my sis associate said that they did have a 35 in stock, and I was kind of worried that it was gonna be too big, but that ended up being perfect. So win-win there. But yeah, they're super, super cute. And another reason I was really looking for this style is because I feel like the thong flip-flop is definitely a huge trend upcoming. I've seen so many cute transition outfits styled with a black flip-floppy kind of sandal. So I feel like these were super cute. And I love the extra little chain there. I just think it just adds, you know, a little something. I also like that they are super obviously logoed. You know, if you know, you know. If you don't know, you just think they're really cute sandals. But yeah, so this kind of open toe style is super trendy right now and just looks super cute with even jeans. And seeing people style them with jeans. And yeah, so I was really excited to kind of jump on that trend, but also get something that is so universal. You're gonna wear these forever, you know? So simple, but also happen to be on trend right now. So check that off the list. Okay, these are also pretty affordable for Hermes. Like these are only like 400 bucks. So if you're looking for like a designer flip-flop, I feel like this is a pretty good option. But yeah, so definitely recommend these. I'll let you guys know an update on how comfortable they are. I feel like I need to get an update on my last sandals that I got from Hermes because at first I was like, these are not very comfortable, but I'll let my future video update you on how that ended. So again, make sure you're subscribed. I'll be giving some updates on what I get from Hermes. So, all right, moving on to my next item. This is something that I had known I had wanted to get for a while, but I wasn't super sure they were gonna have it in stock when I went in, but they did. So I was happily, pleasantly surprised, and here's the box. So let me go ahead and unbox it. So this is an item that I actually kind of already own, but in a different color, and I love it so much, I had to get it again. It's probably one of my most worn pieces in my wardrobe just in general, and you probably know what I'm talking about, but let me show you the reveal. So it comes with a little dust bag and then a bigger dust bag. So this is their Reversible reversible belt style. And yeah, this is one of my most worn pieces of all time. In my wardrobe, I have a black and brown style, and this time I wanted to get a little bit of a different color tones to give some more variety because I love my other ones so much, but sometimes you need something different than just a harsh black and a classic tan. Although I do recommend, if that's your first belt, that's perfect. Like, that's a great first belt, but now I know I get a lot of wear out of it, so I kind of want to get more colors in the rotation. So what really sold me was this chocolatey brown toned side. This is so pretty, and I feel like does really serve a separate purpose from a true black or like a light tan, so I really like that. And then this other side, it appears off-white maybe on camera, but it's actually a mauve pale pink, and it is so pretty. Let me give you guys the exact colors from Hermes because I think my receipt has the specific colors that these are, because I know Hermes always has some fun color names. So yeah, that's Havane and Mauve Pale. So those are the two Hermes colorways. I'll be sure to leave it in the description as well if you're interested. And then one of the big reasons I also wanted to get one of these reversible belts is getting another belt buckle. So this time I decided to go with something completely different than my other one. My other one is a gold H, and this is a little silver, kind of like equestrian styled belt buckle, and I feel like this just amplifies my belt. Now I have a silver tone, a gold tone, and I can mix and match it between reversible sides of both belts. I feel like now I have like 8 different belts out of just purchasing 2. So really great investment in my opinion, and I already know I get so much wear out of these belts, so like kind of a steal of a deal. So yeah, I have this belt buckle, and I wanted to go obviously with something different than my past style because, you know, I wanted to get more variety into my wardrobe, and I really love the way that this actually looks on the belt. So one of the other styles with a cute little more swirly edge was like a little bit shorter, but I feel like with this belt being so long and thin, having a more elongated buckle just works better with the belt. But yeah, super cute. And again, I'm gonna get so much use out of this. I'm super excited to style this up. Yeah, I guess that's my little Hermes haul. I got my little jelly sandals and a cute little belt. And that's it. That's what we got today. So, as always, I will be linking what I got today in my description down below. Also, let me know in the comments down below what you think about the flip-flop thong sandal trend. I think it is so cute and really fun, and kind of it gives like 90s vibes. So let me know what you think about the trend. I would love to hear what you guys think. And yeah, if you just enjoyed this style video, little unboxing, luxury unboxing Hermes haul, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also have a playlist on my channel of my other Hermes unboxings, so definitely check that out after this video. And yeah, if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all on the next one.